This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Bob Corey Team. Never lived in, recently completed construction in Haven at 7 Lakes. Former model home. Home features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, flex space and an oversized 2-car garage. Living area has an open concept floor plan with a fireplace, a large open kitchen that includes quartz countertops, a large island, and a double oven. Huge covered patio area for entertaining. Energy efficient home including a tankless water heater, low E windows and HVAC. Convenient access to multiple grocery stores, shopping as well as quick access to the Grand Parkway and Westpark Tollway. Quick access to Energy Corridor and Houston. Highly desired KISD schools zoned to Wilson Elementary, 7 Lakes JHS and HS. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob Corey Team at 281-394-4608.